Hello guys, welcome to my channel One. So in this video we'll be talking about this particular airdrop, which I know most of you are mining this airdrop, and I came across this particular airdrop known as the Rubi airdrop, and so many people are bullish on this particular mining airdrop. So I know most of you watching this video will be asking that, have Rubi been listed on exchange? No, you can't withdraw your Rubi now on exchange, but you can participate in their P2P section just like Pi. So in this video I will show you on how you can get started in mining this particular airdrop, and this for those who have not started mining this airdrop. But before we get started, what I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel One, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So to get started with this airdrop, all you need to do is to go ahead to your Google Play for those who are using an Android or App Store, to go ahead and search for this particular airdrop known as the Rubi. So search for Rubi. So once you search for Rubi, you already know, search for Rubi airdrop. So you can see the app here. What you need, this is the app you need to go ahead and install. This app showing here, this is what you need to go ahead and install, and you can see that it currently have about 4.5 star rating, that which means that this is a very good airdrop that every one of us can go ahead to start mining now. So you can see that mine is showing open. So I'll be dropping the link to this particular airdrop in the description of my video and also in the comment section, and you can go ahead and use my referral code to open to start mining this airdrop. So once you create your account, it will bring you to this dashboard that looks like this. So you can see this how my dashboard looks like. So what I need to do, that this is the amount of Rubi which I mine every day. I mine about 0.8 Rubi every day, which is what about this amount, $4.4. Remember that they said that Rubi is going to be listing at the price of $2. So this is what I mine every day. So you can do it to go ahead and be mining every day to claim some Rubi token. So you should not miss out on any daily streak. So you should make sure that you should be available every day to mine this Rubi coin. So you can go ahead and do your research about this Rubi coin. So before you create your account, I will advise you guys to go ahead and save your key phrase. So that is for those who want to open a wallet. You can see that you can open the wallet for you to do some transaction. You can either buy and send some Rubi token. You can see that I currently have about 30 Rubi token. So before you can create your wallet, make sure that you save your key phrase. I know most of us who farm Pi lost our key phrase. That is why we can no longer be able to access our Pi token. So this is just like that of the Pi token. So just make sure that you save your key phrase in a safe place when creating your wallet. And not only that, you can see that if I go to this home page, you can see that your information about the Rubi token. So you make sure that you do your KYC first. So your KYC should be done. This is the most important thing about this particular Rubi token mining. So you should make sure that you have completed your KYC. And also, if I go to the mining section, you can see that you can see that having is 50%. So I would advise you guys now to go ahead and start farming this token right now. Do not miss out on this. If you faded on Pi, don't use this one to joke. So make sure to be serious on it. I'll be dropping my referral code in the description of my video and also in the comment section to get started. And also, to get your referrals, all you need to do is go ahead and create a referral link. So you can go ahead and create a referral link to give out to your friends and others in order for them to join you to farm this token. And if you go to where it says this leaderboard, you can see that it's currently people holding this particular Rubi token is minimum. You can see that this is the highest, and you can see that you have about 39,000 of the Rubi token, and he's also online. You can see that he's currently mining the token. You can see this green space there. So he's online mining this token. So do not fade on this token. This token is going to be huge, and you can see this is my balance of the. I currently have about 2 Rubi tokens. So in order for you to go ahead and buy and send, all you need to do is go to the host wallet section. You can see where it says receive and send. You can either send or receive some Rubi token. So if you find this video helpful, All I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, an easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates come your way. So peace out.